guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have this beautiful chocolate brown wig from Ali Pearl. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and read the specs, and while I'm reading the specs I'm gonna do some unboxing and show you guys the cap construction of this wig. So this is the Ali Pearl 20-inch number 4 chocolate brown body wave 5x5 HD closure wig. So this wig already does come with curls established in it already. Again, it has that beautiful chocolate brown color. To me, it's more like a chestnut kind of color. It looks like the hairline is already pre-tweezed, but if you want to customize it some more, you can do that, and I might do that. It does come with some lace, but it's not pre-cut lace, but they don't have a lot of lace on it, which is good. It's a 5x5 closure wig. 2023 seems to be the year of the closure wig. So it's a 5x5, but even with closure wigs, you can still do nice side parts on your wigs. This is a medium cap and it's 20 inches like I just told you guys. So we're gonna try this on and see how it feels and what it looks like. And it does have an adjustable elastic band within the cap, so you can possibly, you know, wear it glueless. Most wigs that have this kind of thing in it, you can wear them glueless. What it looks like fresh out the pack. Curls already established, as I told you guys. It's a pretty fall color here we have going on. So what I'm seeing on the site is some side parts, but with a 5x5 you can't do a whole bunch of that. It's kind of limited, but I'm gonna see if I can do that with this, even though this is a 5x5. I'm definitely gonna have to curve the part. And even though these curls are already established, because I'm changing the direction of the part, I'll have to put some more in there.
Young Apollo with the wig. Young Apollo with the win.
Alright guys, so I am back. You have seen the unboxing and how I styled this wig. It does come pre-styled, but of course, if you are going to change the parting space, you're probably going to have to reestablish the curls, and that's what I had to do. So as far as like shedding and stuff like that, I didn't get excessive shedding. I am wearing this right out the pack, so I didn't wash this before styling it. You certainly can do that if you want to. I did tint the lace with my contour while I was doing my makeup, and I did do a sunlight test for you guys. And today it is sunny, but we do have, you know, shade on our patio, and I like to show you guys the lace in shade and in direct sunlight if it's available that particular day. So in the shade and in the house, the lace looks good. And then in direct sunlight, it looks good. But I feel like a lot of lace looks good in direct sunlight, but in the shade, I feel like this lace looks pretty good. Of course, you're gonna see a little line of demarcation, but it's not as bad as some of the other wigs that I have recently showed you guys. So I think this looks pretty good. Of course, it's never going to be your skin because lace is a fabric. It looks pretty good outside in shade and in natural light, especially for this being a more like affordable human hair wig. This color is gorgeous. It's a very beautiful chocolate brown color. And then with this length, I think it looks very glamorous. And this is perfect for this time of year with fall and everything. So I did go in and tweeze the hairline up a little bit more. I don't really have any cons with this wig, like any big cons or anything like that. I really don't. Even though this is a closure wig, I still managed to make it look, you know, natural even on the sides. Pulled out a little bit of sideburns down here of my own and did a little bit of baby hair right here where the end of the closure is, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I think that's pretty much it with this wig. I don't have too much to say because I think it's a pretty nice affordable human hair wig. I think I do have a coupon code for you guys. It should be in the description box, and I don't know offhand what density I have. I'll try to ask them ahead of time and put it in the description box for you guys. Yeah, so if you are interested in this wig from Ali Pearl, I have it linked in the description box for you guys along with the coupon code and everything like that. Shout out to Ali Pearl for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.